Cafodd WISERD ei sefydlu yn 2008 fel sefydliad ymchwil gwyddorau cymdeithasol rhwng ddisgyblaethol. Ar ydym ni yn phartneriaeth rhwng prifysgolion Aberystwyth, Bangor, Caerdydd, De Cymru ac Abertawe.
Mae ymchwil rhyngddisgyblaethol arloesol WISERD yn rhychwant i'r meysydd canlynol, economeg, cymdeithaseg, daearyddiaeth a gwyddoniaeth wleidyddol, ac yn effeithio ar newid trwy ddylanwadu ar ddatblygiad polisïau ac ymarfer ar draws ystod o sectorau a chymunedau. Rydym yn canolbwyntio ar wyddoniaeth gymdeithasol gymhwysol a chynnal ymchwil sy'n darparu tystiolaeth.
Mae WISERD yn gartref i ganolfan ymchwil Cymdeithas Sifil WISERD a ariannir gan yr ESRC. Mae hwn yn un o'r meysydd ymchwil mwyaf a ffynonellau cyllid i'r dymor i'r sefydliad.
WISERD has made a massive difference to the social sciences research community in Wales. It's brought together colleagues from different disciplines in the social sciences, brought together colleagues from different institutions.
Mae'n gwaith yn delio â ystod eang o themau gan gynnwys gwaith a marchnadoedd llafur, addysg, anghydraddoldeb a cymunedau lleol. Ni hefyd yn gweithio ar y cyd efo canolfan ymchwil data gweinidol Cymru.
WISERD's emphasis is very much on producing applied social science that feeds directly into policy and practice for Wales and beyond.
Currently what we're doing is we're comparing geographical patterns of accessibility across Wales. So we're trying to provide a fuller picture of the accessibility possibilities or access possibilities for a wide range of facilities using bus timetables, public transport timetables and active travel routes as well. One of the key areas we're looking at is those types of communities in Wales which have lost their public transport service and are therefore have problems in accessing day-to-day facilities such as food shopping, banks, post offices.
Mae cyfres o rhwydweithiau ymchwil WISERD sefydledig sy'n cynnal ymchwil ar les, mudo, yr economi sylfaenol, gwleidyddiaeth a llywodraethu a thai. Mae gan WISERD hefyd gysylltiad da ar gymuned academaidd rhyngwladol, ac mae'n arwain nifer o rhwydweithiau rhyngwladol.
Mae rhwydwaith ymchwil mudo Cymru yn annog deialog rhwng ymchwilwyr mudo a rhanddeiliaid ac ymarferwyr yn y maes, gyda'r nod o sicrhau bod ein hymchwil yn cyfrannu at lunio polisïau ar sail tystiolaeth a llunio polisïau y maes polisi mudo.
Mae academyddion Caerdydd WISERD wedi lleoli yn Spark, parc ymchwil gwyddorau cymdeithasol cyntaf y byd. Mae'n rhoi cyfleoedd i gydweithio a chyfres o sefydliadau ymchwil eraill a phartneriaid trydydd sector.
I see our relationship with WISERD as a really strong, productive, collaborative one. It's very open. It's got all sorts of different touch points, whether it's to do with town centre regeneration and the involvement of our colleagues in that space, or looking at politics and governance across Wales as well, and media and democracy.
One of the best things about working with WISERD is that we get to understand what the researchers in WISERD are working on, and that allows us to connect that to the work we're doing on policy and practice.
I think it really comes down to that playing to our respective strengths. No one person can solve the challenges, no one organisation can solve the challenges that Wales faces, but together, when we play to our strengths, we can have a really good crack at it.
Mae WISERD hefyd yn cynnal deialog rheolaidd a llunwyr polisïau, ac yn darparu tystiolaeth gadarn i lywodraethau'r Deyrnas Unedig a llywodraethau rhyngwladol.
I give an oral and written evidence to the House of Commons Select Committees, House of Lords Inquiries and the Senedd. And in fact in the Senedd I was specially commissioned to do a report on the growth of home working in the pandemic.
The Senedd has had a relationship with WISERD for many years now, and it's an invaluable source of research evidence and expertise for our parliamentary work, including submitting written evidence to committee consultations, which often leads to researchers being invited to be expert witnesses in public hearings. This has led to their expertise informing committee reports and recommendations to the government, which in turn has led to tangible changes in policy and law in Wales.
Rydym yn canolbwyntio ar ddatblygiad ein hymchwilwyr a myrfyrwyr PhD gan eu cefnogi drwy'r gwahanol gamau datblygu o ran ei gyrfaoedd. Mae hyn yn cynnwys cyfleoedd i fynd i weithdai academaidd a chynadleddau ac i gymryd rhan yn rhaglen hyfforddi a meithrin gallu WISERD.
We have been able to support a new generation of PhD researchers who've gone on to careers in social sciences research in Wales and internationally.
The Learned Society of Wales and WISERD work together to provide training and capacity building opportunities for early career researchers.
Since I've started my studentship with WISERD, I've been lucky enough to attend many conferences.
My academic career has really developed within WISERD. I actually did my PhD in Cardiff University, which was part of the WISERD Civil Society programme. And after that, I came here to Aberystwyth University.
Dyfodol WISERD wedi seilio ar y pobl sy'n gweithio yma a sut maen nhw'n gweithio efo'i gilydd. A mae yna bobl dalentog iawn yn rhan o'r tîm, pobl sy'n newydd gychwyn ar ei gyrfa a pobl sydd yn arweinwyr yn nhermau y dyfodol.
Rydym bob amser yn edrych i ehangu ein rhwydwaith o bartneriaid a dod o hyd i gyfleoedd newydd i gydweithio. Mae cyfleoedd hefyd i ymgysylltu yn ei ar-lein trwy gadw llygad ar ein gwefan WISERD a'n sianeli cyfryngau cymdeithasol, lle rydym yn cyhoeddi ein newyddion a digwyddiadau diweddaraf, ac yn rhoi cyhoeddusrwydd i gyhoeddiadau newydd a blogiau.